Hey guys, and welcome to Top 4. My name is Michael, I'm the MD here. We've got exciting news to tell you today, which is about our new AI tools integrated to the Top 4 platform to let our 200,000 businesses that are on the platform to use AI, ChatGPT to create content. Tasha is with me in the office today. We're just going to be running through it. So when you get in here, let me just take you through that. So when you get into your dashboard, you've got your edit your businesses, you'll see a new one there that says AI tools. Within the AI tools, then you've got a bunch of new tools. So it's everything from business description generator, business overview generator. So when you're creating your advert, you can create useful content that resonates with your audience. Social media is a new one now as well, social caption. You can get your keywords, you get a business review generator. If you're creating a review for a business, you can create that from within the dashboard. You got review responders, so you've got a review from a client, you can go review responders, put in that review, and it'll come up with a beautiful response to that review, and then you can publish that on your review section of Top 4. Article writer, that's what we're talking about today. We've also got image generation tools, keyword generation tools. Now the article writer tool, so when we click on that one, that brings up the AI tools and let's write an article. It's very, very difficult to write an article, but we're creating one today on our business, which is local marketing. So we'll put in here, so we put in the summary, we'll put in the style of the writing, and then we'll click generate it. And then once you're generating that, you can have a cup of tea, just wait for 30 seconds and then it'll come up. And then we go through, once that's generated, we then go through to your post section, and then you bring up your posts, add a new post, and then what you then do is you cut and paste that across from your AI writer, putting it into your post section, and then you create your post. The power of local marketing, why is the best way to grow your business? So this is a post that we've created. We put it onto Top 4, so it's on our page within Top 4 platform. This is the post that the AI has generated, and then you can modify that, you can put in keywords, you can make it your own style. And then what you can then do is you can publish that. So let's share that across LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and you can even email that to your clients. So click on Facebook. So what that'll take a snippet of the post, and then I'll publish that onto your Facebook. You can do exactly the same on LinkedIn. So this is a really useful tool that's really going to help you grow your business using the latest AI tools, ChatGPT, within the platform. Any further questions, reach out to me, Michael at top4.com.au. Happy to help. Cheers from Michael at the Web Guys.